So when looking at the system and trying to figure out, which points do you want to stop at, which areas are going to be better than others, two things come into play. Number one is your mapping and trying to have a good map where you can actually see what's down there. And number two is your electronics to actually see what's on the bottom. In this situation on this spot I want to fish here, what I have is the main river channel actually butts up against this shoreline. So the deepest section is right up tight to shore. That's a key thing in the fall, especially in the fall time of the year. These fish like to get on super steep breaks. I've got a good point here, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to actually find something different on that point. And in this case, on this waypoint is a little offset rock pile that's out near the river channel, and that's what we concentrate on. So what we're looking for on these points, and that something's different where a fish will actually stop and hold. We're trying to find that transition from where the steepest break hits the mud. And as we look on the side imaging here, you can see the hard bottoms on my right and the soft bottoms on the left. That's actually going to, give us that transition of where those fish like to hold. But as I cruise by this area, I can obviously see the rocks are on my right, and especially in the fall, you want to concentrate right on the outside edge of those rocks. That's where those biggest fish are going to lay. Off the left side of my boat is the river channel out here. It's all mud, it's deep water. You'll see some fish on the graph, catch what you can and move on to the next one. So that should help you figure out what I'm looking for in the fall on the deepest transition out to the deep water. If you can find any little rock structure that sticks out there, all the better.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.